Hi, it's Dr. Stacia from LifeCoachToWomen.com and the Women in Wealth Club. I'm so excited to celebrate Small Business Saturday. So here's the thing. This is what I'm going to do. For Small Business Saturday, I'm doing something extraordinary. I've been asked to do it and I've never done it before and probably will never ever do it again. But I wanted to give back in a big way this year in 2019 before we hit 2020. So here's the thing. This is what I'm doing. I'm going to open up my Women in Wealth Club to just a few people. But let me tell you what the Women in Wealth Club is if you haven't heard. It's a place where you can build your financial life. It's the club you've been waiting for. It's what you've been looking for. It's the sisterhood you've been wanting, where you get in with other people and they celebrate your wins with you. What are we celebrating? We're celebrating all that you're going to be learning, all that you're going to be changing, all the information you're going to be gathering. But we're celebrating that you're going to be building up your income. You're probably, like most people, 90% of women in America, are tired of not knowing what to do after their 9 to 5 to create some more income in their life. Well, that's where we come in. The Women in Wealth Club. We cover things like credit repair, how to build your financial portfolio. We talk about how to get your funds in order so you can finally have some fun, how to travel on a budget. We're talking about how to invest. My goodness, so many investment secrets. We're talking about how to start your business, how to make money from your side hustle. We're giving you resources that you probably never even heard of. Me, my partner, Ariana, and a host of experts that are here to teach you, to train you, to walk you through your financial future. And it's fun, it's exciting. Now, you get to hear from me live once a month. You get to be in my wealth workshop. We have a wealth party. Oh my goodness. If you haven't been to a Dr. Stacia party, you have been missing out. So you get to be in the wealth party. We have a wealth book club. We call it our Millionaires Book Club, where we give you books to read every single month, and we meet and talk about those books. We discuss them. We break those books down. My goodness, we apply them to our life. It is life-changing. That's just a little bit of what's happening in the Women in Wealth Club. I tell you what, though, I pull back the curtain and share with you everything I know. All the other experts are telling you everything they know to build a financial life that you're not only proud of, but that secures you in your future. One of the ladies in our Women in Wealth Club took her portfolio from $100,000 to $1 million in a matter of 3 months. That's pretty big. Another lady lost her job right when she got in the Women in Wealth Club, and she was very afraid of investing in herself, getting in the Women in Wealth Club, but she took the leap and did it. She said her gut told her, take the leap, get in the Wealth Club, get in here, get on the other side with Dr. Stacia, and she did it. Got in the Women in Wealth Club, and one workshop, just one workshop, she listened to the workshop, got the information, and applied it. And within 2 weeks, she was making more money than she ever made on her job in the last 15 years. That is amazing. From people getting their homes, people repairing their credit, people paying off student loans, from people taking their businesses from 0 to 6 figures. This is the biggest coaching program I ever did in my entire life for so much value. It is amazing. So I'm going to offer 250 people. You heard me right, 250. Seems like a lot, but it's not. You know why? Because we have a list of about 30,000 people. Well, I have never officially opened the doors, and now I am. But I'm opening the doors before 2020 with 50% off for 250 people only. Okay, so here's the thing. You got to get on the wait list. And what's going to happen is we're going to open up those spots to the wait list, the people that took fast action, the people that really wanted it, that took a few seconds and went ahead and signed up on the wait list. You're going to get the opportunity first to be able to take advantage of that 50% off on Small Business Saturday only. So on Sunday, it's over. And when it's over, it's over. So here's the thing. The wait list is open now. you can get on it right away. And on Saturday, when those gates open, I'm telling you, rush in, grab your spot, and get ready to take a new financial ride in your life. Get ready to change your life around. Get ready to finally accomplish those goals that you've been desiring to accomplish. Get ready to get your plan of escape and to come out on top in the financial arena in as little as 30 days. Yes, you heard me, in as little as 30 days. You get in, get on the other side of this, and I tell you what, I'm excited because before we hit 2020, you can already have your financial vision already in motion. All right, so there it is. The doors are opening. Walk through them. You know, there's a saying that I always say that when the student is ready, the teacher appears. I believe that you're only seeing this video right now because you're ready. I believe that things happen by divine appointment and by divine assignment. I believe that nothing just happens by happenstance. So when I see something like this, even me, if I'm scrolling online and I come across a video or something like this and it speaks to my heart, I say, wow, okay, you know what? Let me get in alignment. This is happening because I'm supposed to take advantage of this. This is something I need because I've been looking for an answer and now it's in my face and I take advantage of it. That's how I have got to where I've got to in my life. That's how I accomplish everything in my life, is because I take fast action. I jump quick when the answers come to me. So I believe that this is speaking directly to your heart. If not, you would have turned me off by now. You're still here because it's speaking to your heart. So jump through. Come on, here's your chance to go into 2020 being in the Women in Wealth Club. Get on the other side with us. Let's change your financial outcome. Let's finally get you the breakthrough that you've been looking for all 2019. Let's make it happen before 2020. All right, see you on the other side.